Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let's talk about how to escalate an issue with Lendingclub support. Sometimes issues with your Lendingclub account may require more attention than standard support can provide. If you've already contacted customer service but your problem remains unsolved, Lendingclub offers ways to escalate the matter. Begin by documenting your concerns thoroughly. Keep records of dates, chat transcripts, emails, or phone call notes related to your initial support request. This ensures that you have evidence when explaining why the issue needs escalation. Next, contact Lendingclub through the help center or phone support. Clearly explain that your case requires escalation, referencing your previous ticket's number or case ID. In most cases, the representative will forward your issue to a specialized department such as fraud, payments, or technical support. If your issue isn't addressed, you can ask to have your case reviewed by a superior or manager. Lendingclub also provides written correspondence options, and in rare cases, regulatory bodies like the Customer Financial Protection Bureau. These can be contacted if you believe your issue is not being handled fairly. Escalation should be used as a tool to ensure your concern is prioritized and resolved as efficiently as possible. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. So hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.